If your daisies look like this, they're definitely due for some deadheading, and right now I'm just looking for buds. Here's a flower, and if you follow the stem you can find a bud. You want to cut right above it. If you can't find any new buds, then you can just cut above any set of leaves, and you can shape the plant if you want, like into a dome, or just do it randomly. It's up to you. For example, I don't see a bud on this stem, and it's toward the edge, so I'm going to go a little bit lower than I will on the ones over there. There's a bud. And since this one is higher up, I'm going to cut right here. This one's toward the middle, so I'm going to cut above the highest leaves. This flower is actually one of the secondary buds that came off a main flower, so it's already done. I'm just going to go all the way down above a set of leaves. This looks like a dried up bud, but below it is another potential bud, so I'll cut above the lower one. There, now you have a semi-rounded little mound that will be ready to put out a few flowers here and there. Definitely won't be as intense as the first flush, but you might get some flowers throughout the summer. Otherwise, it's ready for next year. Here's the daisy. Has a lot of buds. You can see the yellow centers of the daisies in there. I think the daisies are going to open any minute. Daisies are getting there. Daisies. The daisy is done blooming.